Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-12-7043 Sling Psychrometer. This Sling Psychrometer is an easy, affordable and battery-free way to measure relative humidity levels quickly and accurately. It is ideal for many applications, including the measurement of conditions within indoor environments such as storage areas, laboratories and more. A key feature of this meter is its inbuilt slide rule, which allows you to retrieve relative humidity measurements quickly and easily. In the box there's an instruction manual and the Sling Psychrometer. The meter features 3 scales on either side. The top scale is a wet bulb reading, the middle is a dry bulb reading, and the lower is the relative humidity result with an arrow. On the other side is the same, with wet bulb on the top, dry in the middle, and relative humidity with an arrow on the bottom. This is for a higher temperature range. This end is the handle for when you are spinning the device. The thermometer pulls out to an L shape, and here you can see the wet bulb thermometer on the top with a wick in the base and the dry bulb thermometer on the bottom. And lastly, on the end of the meter under a screw cap is a reservoir and the end of the wick. For more information on this meter, or to watch an instrument choice scientist demonstrate how to take relative humidity measurements, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!